strategy. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to get me right. While others are busy spreading news of despair that no new meaningful investor can invest in our country, Coca-Cola, one of the biggest brands worldwide, has been busy believing in our governance capabilities by investing in Malawi to strengthen the value chains and catalyze national economic development. Your Excellency, will be seeing you shortly as well, because we're listing about 25 businesses that we want to restrict foreigners from engaging in our country. These will be restricted for only Malawians. We can't have people coming here to open barber shops, butcheries, agents, registers for clearing and forwarding of goods. So they are in number, 7 tires, 1 euro, and these can be done by Malawians. We have opened up too much. Our friends in other countries, you can't go there as a Malawian, say I'm opening a barber shop in Zambia or in Namibia or in Zimbabwe. No, it doesn't happen. So we are trying to work towards your vision of wealth creation. Most of the times you speak of job creation and wealth creation. We can't create wealth when our people face stiff competition from people from outside the country that are taking away businesses that can be easily done by Malawians.